Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn about image as fallback property of the selector in Power Automate Desktop. So please watch this video till now so that you can understand it completely. And if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. So let's get started. In today's video, we are going to work with this portal, which is Page Name Generator. Since my web page is already opened, I will go to Browser Automation. And from here I will use launch new Chrome, and then I will use attach to running instance. From here I will choose the title of the web page. Web page title has been selected. Browser instance will be stored in the browser variable. I will click on save. Now I will use click link on web page action to click on a link. From here I will choose add UI element, and here I will choose this element to click on it. I will press Ctrl and left mouse click. Element has been captured. I will click on save, and then I will go to the selector. I will open the selector and check here that it is using the free tools text of the anchor tag, right? So I will click on save, and then I will run the bot. As you can see, bot has been able to click on the free tools, right? Now I will go back to Power Automate Desktop. Now consider a situation, for example, let's say the selector has changed, right? So I will uncheck it, and then let's say I will select this free tools and I will put a text as free tools 2. Now this element will not be available on the web page and it will fail, right? Now I will run the bot. As you can see here that the bot execution has failed and it says that this element is not found. Now to prevent it, I will go to selector. I will open this selector and I will use this property, which is image as fallback. What will this do is, if the selector is not valid, it will try to click or perform any action on web page based on the image that you have captured, right? So I will click on image as fallback. As you have noticed that the selector is still invalid, but I will right click here and then I will click on capture. As you can see, this image has been captured, and if you want to take a look at the selector, you can still see the selector is invalid, right? I will click on save, and now I will run the bot. Now you see that bot has been able to click on free tools based on the image that we have captured, right? So this is the benefit of using image as fallback property of the selector. Just in case if the selector is not valid, in that case it will try to perform the operation on the web page based on the image that you have captured, right? If you like this video, please click on the like button and please subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you have any question, please post it in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.